Hey, what's up, traders? So we're running a contest every single month. We pick one winner who comments, likes, and to subscribe to my channel and comments on every video this month. We randomly pick a drawing, and hopefully it's you. Just be sure you like, comment, and are subscribed to this channel, and you'll get free access to our full training academy and everything it is have to offer. Good luck, peace, and enjoy the next video. Hey, what's up, traders? Today is the 9th of June, 2020. We're off to an awesome week, and this is our gold and silver report. So my charts reset themselves, so you're in for a bit of a treat because you can see how I break them down, even though a lot of y'all probably see me do this multiple times with gold. But first of all, this is this massive wedge that we broke out of last year, and that happened back in June 2019, and we've been in an uptrend ever since. So that there's two main factors. There's that, and then there's this. Now we're at the 78.6% retracement, and we are still, let me move this here, still struggling at this level. So, you know, until we clearly break above this level, you know, obviously we're in an uptrend, but I think the argument could be made that we may be in for some more downside. So, you know, there's multiple ways you could do this top here. You know, you could go from this moving average here, or this fractal line, which would signify that we are about to move lower. And on the daily chart here, we've more or less been in a range, but RSI is pointing lower. So this is a big flag, in my opinion, that, you know, we could be in for some moves, maybe soon. Maybe we're going to hang out in this range for a little bit longer. But we also have some significant levels, which I had on my previous charts here. And this was at around 1650 here. And you can see where price and support and resistance had their little battle. Actually, I think this would be a better level here, and that comes in at 1650. But the question is, are we really going to retrace that far? And I have a hard time believing that we will, but you know, anything can happen. So, but as of right now, I'm thinking gold's looking somewhat bearish. I'm not saying that it's going to be a huge move to the downside, but there is a possibility. So the other side of that is these fractals here. So what I would be looking for our breakout, and don't get me wrong, I am very bullish. I do think we're going to go to 2000, but be looking for a move above this level here, right? So we have our X marks the spot, and looking at it like that, and based on, you know, the way my technical analysis, I would say we're looking, a dip looks pretty likely here. So we're gonna have to see what's in store for the dollar coming into Wednesday tomorrow. But right now there isn't a lot going on, and this is a very unclear chart to trade, that is for sure. So, but let's take a look at silver. So we're in a signal in silver right now. And I think it looks much more constructive. Let's see, sorry, I had to pause it real quick. I think it looks much more constructive. Let's see, so I will show you exactly why I think we are, one more time, where we're at. And it all gets down to this false breakdown here. So we're still bouncing back from the false breakdown. A false breakdown typically leads to a breakout, and this is where we're headed. So now we've had some big moves to the upside. I think retesting the top of this wedge is what's next. And this looks very similar to that pattern in gold, except the big difference is we haven't even begun to catch up. So my thesis is that silver is going to eventually start to break out and then move higher and catch up to gold and hit these higher retracements like 61.8. Gold's at 78.6, which on silver would be the $42. But before we get there, we got to break out. So let's go down to the micro level, or not quite micro, but here we are in the daily chart. See, there's our false breakdown area. Here is our first breakout. And we've really just been going in a series of breakout after breakout. This was our first big move. And then also I should point out where our Fibonacci levels were and are. And so that was the 61.8 we cleared at, and we are sitting on top of the 78.6% retracement. So, and if I were to put a trend line here or support line, this is a line of support if you ask me. And so this is why I entered this trade for us. I still think it looks great. And even though we're in a little bit of drawdown, maybe about 10 cents, I still feel really good about this trade. And the risk to reward on this trade is very, very excellent. So also we have, this doesn't look like much on the 4-hour, but if we went to the 30-minute, you can see how we've kind of broken through different levels. That was where we were ranging previously. So I'm still liking silver. We're holding strong in the support, and especially out of the two metals, I think silver has a much stronger bullish case. I think gold has a very bullish case as well. I think maybe it needs to reset itself, and that's what we're in the middle of doing right now. So for silver, upside target is 19, or around 1870. Maybe we'll make it to 19. But just hold on, and we'll see how this trade plays out for our VIP group. So if you'd like to take part in our trades, click the link below to get started. Please like, comment, subscribe to my channel and to my groups. And thank you so much for your support. Let's keep this momentum for this epic week going, and I'll see you in the VIP chat room. Peace, everybody.